Are you dying?
Huh?
Yeah. Can you seriously make yourself sneeze? Oh, is it that thing that...
I'm not going to use my hair this time. I'm going to use this thing. Ew!
She's the weirdest person I know.
It tickles so bad. Are you filming this? Stop laughing. It's not going to work. Straight face, straight face, straight face, straight face. Use the feather! Use the feather! No. I can't do it.
Don't kill yourself.
What if you like throw up? You like gag yourself?
She used her hair last time. She always uses her hair.
You do that frequently.
She always did it in the 8th grade.
Oh, it came out! Oh! Who's the sneezer now?
Big brain soup. Y'all are so freaking dumb.
Aaron!
Aaron!